Okay. You're right.
Ready when you are. I just gotta.
Oh, mine's on. It just came on. You staying in the back with me, or are you going up front? Word. I'm not ready for this ride at all, brother. I still want to say okay boomer to that, but I'm not. Which one? Oh, we're going. Fuck that guy. Missed a turn, bud. Is there any cars? Not in this lane. Do I still have a camera on my back? Okay, good. What up? Ah, man, they're really not good about... Yeah, fuck that. Damn, man. I appreciate you for waiting for me. Thank you. Probably not. Probably not. Camera still there? Okay, good.
Are you taking it right or left? Right or left?
I don't.
Take one straight. Okay, I got you.
They technically could have gone straight right there. Maybe. Are they actually gonna like turn relatively quick? A little bit sketchy? I like that Alex looked back too, like, what the fuck's going on back there? Yep. I'm doing a lot of coasting right now because of that car, but that car is also the only reason we fucking caught up so fast too. So I can't even like shit talk that car that much. Honestly, probably. Oh no, sand, mortal enemy. I lived. I'm also glad I've been recording this whole time too, instead of just talking like I have been and not. That would have sucked. Two people have just cut off because of the sand. Oh, dude, that could have been you for real, bro. Oh, man, yeah, you could. Dude, I am doing so much coasting through here even right now. What the fuck? Ooh, that's like an actual sand drift right there. Yeah. Oh, dude, fuck yeah, that unicycle is sick. You know what? Dude on the Harley has the right idea. Yeah, except he swung that bitch around. This is the most complicated fucking parking I've ever seen in any fucking ride I've ever fucking been on in my life. What button do I?
Both of y'all.
You missed my. Hey, go fetch.
I got his grip, I'll just turn him up.
This one ain't bad without gloves.
Nah.
Hey, good, but it ain't bad.
Yeah, I run to school with no gloves. With no heated. Yeah, turn it off, dude.
Isn't it already off? It's not.
Hey!
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.